Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here, and today we're going over a couple tips and tricks if you're a Netflix subscriber. So for everyone that's been using Netflix for a while, everyone that's subscribed, we know of some of the issues that Netflix is going through. Nevertheless, a lot of people still have the service, and sometimes they become overwhelmed with some of these settings that are not so in plain sight, but are very important. So today I'm going to go over two settings that I get asked a lot about. One of them is how to stop autoplay on your Netflix. So for instance, autoplay is when you log into Netflix and you can see it right here that videos start playing, the sound's going to be on, and sometimes it becomes distracting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn that off. The second thing I'm going to show you how to adjust is the devices that you're logged into. If you're someone like me and you have multiple Fire Sticks, you have multiple devices, you may even have devices that you've given to families, friends, or whatever the case is, there's a chance that your Netflix might still be logged in. So I'm going to show you how to log out of all of your devices, and that way you'll be forced to log back in. So if someone has unauthorized access to your Netflix account, especially with the new crackdown that's coming up, you can go ahead and log out, and that will prevent other people from using it. All right, so here we are in my Netflix account, and the first thing, like I said, is we're gonna have this preview playing up here. A lot of people don't like it. Some people find it useful, but for me, I really find it distracting. So I don't want this just popping up playing as soon as I log into my Netflix, and this is how you go ahead and turn that off. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna hit the drop down right here. You're gonna see your profiles if you have them. You're gonna go down to manage profiles. Now, should mention that this is profile specific, so you can decide which profile you want to turn this off on and which profile you want to leave it on. So for me, let's go to my profile. I'm going to click edit, and you can see some of the main settings right here. You can rename your profile, maturity settings. Autoplay is where we want to be at. So at the bottom where it says autoplay controls, you have two options there. The first one is to autoplay next episode in the series on all devices. Very useful, especially if you're jumping from, let's say, your Fire Stick to your phone or whatever the case is. The series will just continue to play. So definitely I would recommend leaving that one on. Next one is what we're gonna turn off, and that's gonna be autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. Let's go ahead and uncheck that, and that should essentially disable that preview. Click save. All right, let me go back into my profile, hit done. All right, click on my profile. Now you just see a photo. It will not play anymore. Let me go ahead and refresh it. So turned off, now you just get a photo. Less distracting in my opinion, and also saves data if you're on data restriction. So one thing that also turns off is actually the live preview. So before, if you hovered over any title, that will start playing, and then you can kind of see what's going on. So kind of sucks that they didn't separate these two, because I would love to turn this off, but these I actually like hovering over and getting that live preview. I might end up just turning it back on because I do like hovering and seeing the live previews. So the next settings we're gonna adjust today is the ability to log out of all of your devices at the same time, and this will prevent whoever has your account maybe logged into a device that you no longer use. This will make sure that they cannot use your Netflix. So this one is gonna be pretty straightforward. Again, you're gonna click on the menu in the top right. If you're on a Fire Stick or Video Shield, the menu might be to the left. So wherever your settings are, that's where you want to be at. So we're going to go to our account, and it's going to have some personal information there. What we want to do, guys, is scroll all the way to the bottom. And again, this is on my PC. The settings might be a little bit different on different devices. And at the bottom right here, guys, where it says sign out of all devices, once you click that, it will sign you out of all of your devices. For me, I'm not going to do that. I don't have an issue right now, but if you're someone who's having people use your Netflix, this might be an option worth checking out. So let me know if this video helped you. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.